recording.
All right, everybody, we're going to take this out to a ride to Hamburg. We're going to check out a motorcycle bike night. It's me and Free. I know we're not supposed to be taking this bike out anymore because I've already reached 1,000 miles before its 600-mile checkup, but I had to take it out one more time because I took the plastic off of the rear camera now, and I wanted to take a look at it. So we're gonna get at it. Gotta go get some gas first.
Whitney, you with me?
Absolutely.
How's the sound so far, sir? Even this little bit you said, close your lid.
Oh yeah, you got it open. Okay.
Lid wide open. I don't even have my mask down. Hold on. My shade. So yeah, little test 1 2 1 2, letting the air flow. Any buzzing, crackling?
No, if your shield is still open, I'm really impressed.
Yeah, that's just the boom mic, man. I'm telling you, that boom mic is designed to be outside like a half shell, you know, so like taking full wind. So I think that's my best bet, is to stay with this boom mic.
Oh yeah, your shit is open. Okay, I thought it was closed.
No?
Yeah, I don't hear any wind at all right now.
All right,
absolutely nothing. It's let's take it up to about 20 miles an hour. Let's see 25.
Right. We're just testing a little bit here.
Let's see 30. That's got to be 30.
Testing Jeff's finicky gears here with my open mask and my new mic setup. How's that feel?
100%.
I can hear a little wind even in my ears. Are you hearing a little whistle?
No.
Oh, nice.
But okay. I don't think I didn't strap my helmet. Wow.
Okay, so the boom mic passes the Jeff test.
At 40.
At 40 so far, yes.
All right, make that turn.
Well, it's boom mic and the chin curtain.
Yeah, I agree. It has to be everything you've done. That, the boom mic, chin curtain.
I think we've got something here fast, but I'm still at like 80 miles an hour. I'm not getting full clear. Like there's crackling is what what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to get across to you there. But we are light years away from what we were experiencing, and I literally was going down the same road, and you're like, oh my God, he come back like your mic is horrible.
Yeah.
Your chin strap's not on either.
You don't listen to me, do you?
No.
I just said that. I figured I was going to stop trying to do it, but you know what a pain in the ass it is, and we're getting ready to stop at a gas station, so...
I hate the D-ring.
I'm glad he made it, because I can just roll up to here. I might not have to put my feet down.
The D-ring sucks. Oh, you're impressive if you don't put your feet down. Let's go.
Oh, I never stopped that far. I gave myself a lot of room.
You got distance for it.
Look at that. Both sides are open. That's nice.
Sir. We only get the E-free, the good stuff.
A little warm.
Well, look at this, folks. I'm at 45 miles an hour, and Jeff is not bitching at all. I got my visor up.
I didn't even know.
Oh, here we go with this shit now. You can't hear now.
No, I'm saying I did not hear a thing. You wouldn't even know your visor was up. That's absolutely awesome.
Oh, you mean you didn't hear the wind? And all that?
Yeah, I don't hear.
Oh, great.
I hear absolutely nothing but you talking.
Okay, so it is a glorious day.
Yes, it is.
Glorious day for both of us, especially you.
Yes, me more than you. But
I was stressed out about it and just perplexed. You were in pain, I guess.
oh, sorry, little lady.
Yeah, I cut it first too, but look at it. Am I up to 50 and you're not switching still? Is it still clear? Or clear enough?
Oh, it was clear, but I couldn't hear what you were saying. This is definitely my headphones suck.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not anything on the wind or anything. It's 100% that my headphones suck.
Now this is visor down.
That's honestly, I hear no better than with your visor up a minute ago. Your visor,
Really?
wherever your mic is right now, sounds fantastic.
Oh, great. Yeah, it's the boom mic, man. It was that little wired one. That sucks, you know.
I think this girl's right into it, if I can remember. I know we're going about 2 miles up. It was.
Follow the bike. Follow the bike.
You see one up there?
I don't know.
Oh, I was gonna say yeah.
But when we get closer, we'll see something. If people are coming here, it's a small town, people.
Yeah.
Could be a bus.
There's a biker.
Oh, we got the. Oh, yeah.
Oh, two of them.
He gave the big old high. Oh, people, don't do it to yourself. If you're a new rider out here, just understand that the he was thinking about it. He was thinking about it.
Yeah, 'cause there's the gas station. So it's going to be off on our left.
Oh, I remember this. They had a stage set up when we were there, didn't they?
They had what?
I think they had a stage set up.
Yeah, they talk about live music.
Yeah, well, I think we crossed the street to
that
subway.
gas station right there. Yeah, there used to be a Subway in there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's there anymore.
Eminem cookies.
Oh, there's a little bit of a turnout down there.
Okay. Mostly eating, but...
Oh, no, down there. I can see quite a few bikes down there. We must have to go around and take a left up. Not here. I think we got to go through. I don't think they see how they got the cones there.
Oh, yeah. All right. We got to circle around, go through the bike entrance. Bike night.
Live music starting at 6.
Where are we coming in here?
It's got to be right there.
All right. So here we go. Pull it in by the VMAX. The Monster VMAX. Okay. Here, I don't even know what the... Oh, Armor Inn. Okay. Armor Inn tap room. So, we're going to go check it out, man. Give you an up-close look at some of these bikes.
Alright. We are here. We got a couple sporties right in front of us.
Disconnect the power.
Recording.
Alright folks, we're at the Armor Inn tap room. It is Tuesday night, bike night. It was a pretty good turnout. First one for the year, I believe. Maybe the second, from what I'm hearing. Pretty good turnout. And then as the summer goes, it's going to get better. Hope to take you on a lot more of these, and I hope you enjoyed. There. Mike Knight down there. don't know what they're grilling, but man, that grill smells good. I will be patronizing the grill today. All right. Anybody I know, but I ain't been looking either. I think that's her bike. The sport bike? Yeah, I thought so. I think so. I heard her say that she just made her first payment. Oh, I see it. And they got the communicators on them too. They're doing it. It's one of those little tiny ones you like. Over here. I don't know where freeway. Definitely a one-of-a-kind design there. I like the Steelers bike. That makes more sense for the dude up there. And I'm not really big on the naked look in the front. I need that cover there. I can't see anything right in the sun.
So much for the Innovv on that. Women that recover, give us a like on Facebook. Check us out. We're almost there. We're getting there. We got to get to 1,000 likes this summer, so make sure you help that page and help us out.